Hello traders, welcome back to Trader Rex. My name is Alex. Today we will dive into AI and its relationship with trading. Some traders might feel discouraged about learning this skill due to the rapid growth of artificial intelligence. Should you be worried about AI taking over trading? We will discuss that in this video. So let's get right into it. While AI is a hot topic, this is not a new thing in the financial markets. Institutional traders have been using it for decades now in the shape of algorithms. Powerful AI algorithms can process enormous amounts of market data, identify patterns, and execute trades automatically, all within a fraction of a second and much more accurate than humans. These algorithms use machine learning and natural language processing to analyze data from various sources, such as news, social media, financial reports, and historical market data. By recognizing patterns and correlations, AI algorithms generate valuable insights and predictions about market trends and investment opportunities. AI is also playing a crucial role in risk management for traders. By assessing market volatility, AI algorithms help identify potential risks and aid in portfolio optimization. Additionally, they can monitor trading activities in real time, detect anomalies, and flag suspicious behaviors, reducing the risk of fraud or market manipulation. Another fascinating aspect of AI in trading is sentiment analysis. AI algorithms can analyze social media sentiment and news articles to gauge public opinion on market sentiment. By monitoring these sentiments, traders gain valuable insights into market expectations and potential shifts in investor sentiment. AI is not just limited to institutional traders. Retail investors can also benefit from AI-powered automated trading systems, often known as robo-advisors. These systems provide investment advice and execute trades automatically based on individual investor goals and risk tolerance. They offer convenience, accessibility, and cost-effectiveness for those seeking passive or hands-off trading. While AI has transformed trading with its speed and analytical capabilities, human traders possess certain qualities that make them indispensable. The ability to interpret nuanced information, factor in subjective elements like market sentiment, and adapt to changing market conditions are skills that humans excel at. Moreover, human traders bring emotional intelligence, ethical decision-making, and the capacity for creative problem-solving, which are vital in navigating complex financial landscapes. Combining the strengths of AI with the expertise of human traders can lead to more informed and well-rounded trading strategies. So that's all for today's video. We hope you find it useful, and if you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until next time, bye.